Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study math proofs. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the theorem statement and all its conditions. Make sure you grasp what the proof aims to achieve. Next, identify every definition and previously established result that the proof relies upon. Finally, break the entire proof down into smaller, more manageable logical steps. This approach helps clarify the overall structure and makes complex arguments easier to follow. Once you have the steps, trace the logical flow from the initial hypothesis all the way to the final conclusion. Pay close attention to how each step builds upon the previous one. Pinpoint the key techniques or strategies the author uses, such as proof by contradiction or induction. Critically question each step to ensure its validity and understand why it's necessary for the argument. Don't just read, actively analyze. Now it's time for active engagement. Attempt to rewrite the proof entirely in your own words without looking at the original. This reveals gaps in your understanding. Then, try proving a similar, perhaps simpler, statement independently. This builds your problem-solving skills. Finally, discuss the proof with classmates or a study group. Explaining it to others or hearing their perspectives can significantly solidify your comprehension. To truly master proofs, regular review is essential. Revisit them periodically to reinforce your memory and deepen your understanding over time. Don't hesitate to utilize various textbooks and online resources for alternative explanations or different perspectives on challenging proofs. These can offer new insights. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your study environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic tool for setting timers or playing focus music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.